So according to this instruction manual, I should have a quadcopter, a transmitter, a set of instruction manuals. It says one here, but I have 3 pieces, a battery which is included, but where are the extra propellers and the charging wire? So I guess they weren't shipped. That's quite bad. So the transmitter weighs about 107 grams, the quadcopter 22, and the instruction manuals 24. And also, it's worth mentioning that the battery alone weighs about 5 grams, which is pretty decent, same as the Furby. And to confirm my beliefs, the frame weighs about 17 grams. To power on the quadcopter, simply align the battery terminals and plug the battery in. So at first the lights will go blinking, and to power the transmitter, it runs off 2 AA batteries that slide into the back. Flipping the switch turns it on, and to bind, you simply push the throttle up, a beep, and it's bound. So there you go. So the first test, it will be the thrust test. So I'm going to flip this upside down and power the weighing scale, and now I'm going to go full throttle. So 6 grams isn't a lot, but I suppose we'll see how it flies.